This is Jake, and today I'm going to show you how to install the Zipbolt 10.6 using Shaper Origin and Plate. Let's start over on Shaper Hub, where we can find our files in the hardware catalog. Just search Zipbolt, choose the size that you want, and it's going to give you all the relative information that you need to successfully install this piece of hardware, including a thumbnail of what the cut file looks like, and included in the download is the PDF of all the technical specs. Let's go ahead and sync to my files. Now it's on my tool. I'm going to be using Plate today because it's my go-to thing for any time I want to set up a hardware file once and then just repeat that operation a couple different times. I have the underside of my countertop here. It's a 22.5 degree angle, two pieces being pressed up against each other. Going to deploy my reticle and line that up with the seam of my counter. Once I bring in Origin, we import, select the Zipbolt. We have two different files here. One is if you want to cut each half independently, and the other is if you want to cut both at the same time. Dropping that right at 0, 0 in the center of our window. And we are ready to cut. There we go. Now we can adjust our hardware. To fit in. Fits below the surface. And with a 5mm hex key, you can draw those two pieces in. Create a super tight counter joint. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.